Hi guys, got an inbox from a girl. She said, Olivia, I'm a good woman. I just can't seem to get a good man. And then when I do get a man, I can't seem to hold on to him, so to speak. So I'm going to give you ladies 5 reasons why you could potentially be a good woman and be actively searching for a good man, but somewhere the two aren't connecting. Number 1 is your attitude. Ladies, I don't think women understand how major this is. If you're walking around and you're bitter, you're mad at the world, you're resentful about the last guy that broke your heart, all of this portrays and it reflects in how you deal with men. All of your past bad relationships is giving you this sense of independent, I don't need a man, these men ain't nothing anyway type mindset. Beyonce really messed y'all up with that. She really messed y'all up with that because she was the one that started that whole single ladies, I don't need a man, can you pay my bills type trend, while she's sitting over there laid up with her husband married. So men, they can sense this weight that you carry around, because it is weight, this weight that you carry around, this mindset that you carry, and they run the other way. And can you blame them? Wouldn't you? Who wants to deal with that? You have to learn how to heal and move on from past hurt to become a better you. That's number 1. Before you can go looking for any man, you have to completely heal, and you have to become the best you that you can be. You're so busy focused on who hurt you that when the right man does come along, you can't even let him love you right, because your heart can't be with him because it's with the last guy that broke your heart. You have to be able to heal, and you have to make sure that your heart is not hardened from past traumatic experiences. Now, you have to stop walking around in unforgiveness, because you can block your own blessings. People do it every single day. Number 2 is stop listening to your friends. Ladies, we all have that. We all have those friends, those friends who, when you call them and you start talking about men, the conversation goes like this. Girl, yeah, these men ain't no good. It ain't no kind of good men out here. It ain't no hope for men. And then what's the first thing you do? Girl, you sure right. It ain't no kind of good men out here. And I don't know what I'm going to do, but I do want to get married, though. I do want to have more kids, though. But it ain't no good men out here. That's like the first thing that most women do. Stop agreeing with your friends. The power of the tongue is extremely strong. What you put out there is what you attract. Okay? What you put out there is what you attract. Ladies, you have to realize that anything you come into agreement with, you're bound to get. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful what you entertain and what you agree with. If you want some advice, go talk to one of your happily married friends. Okay? Stop agreeing with your single friends. That's why they're single now. Number 3 is high expectations. If your prayer sounds something like this: God, please send me the man of my dreams, and please don't let him have too many kids. Don't let him have any kids. Please let him have a high-paying corporate job with benefits and a red Mustang drop-top convertible, and please let him be tall, dark, and handsome, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna stop you right there. Okay, that's your problem. Wrong. You got it wrong. You have to realize that the man of your dreams may not come packaged as the man of your dreams. Everybody needs fine-tuning, all right? That's where you grow together. A lot of y'all are overlooking good men, really good men, because he's not packaged how you envisioned him to be packaged, okay? I'm not saying settle, but what I'm saying is you grow together, okay? Number 4 is your social media persona. Now, ladies, believe it or not, fellas are looking at your Facebook. They're looking at your Facebook. So if you have pics up of you bent over in the mirror talking about selfie, or if you have pictures up of that one night where you were in the club and got drunk, you passed out in the middle of the dance floor, you're not going to find a husband like that. Husbands are not looking for those attributes in a wife, okay? You have to put out there, if you really are looking for a husband, you have to, in your mind, think like, I'm already married. If somebody didn't know me and they went down my Facebook profile, they would think I was already married. You have to portray yourself as a married woman to attract a husband. You do. So clean up your Facebook, ladies. Clean up your whole social media if you really, really, really want a husband. Now, the last one, number 5, is, this is huge. Stop trying to be a man. Some of y'all can't find a man because you're too busy trying to be one. You're too busy trying to be one. Some of y'all are so independent that it's made y'all mannish. It's made y'all extremely mannish. And no, I don't know any man walking this earth who wants to feel like that he's pursuing another man unless he's gay. Okay? And if this also applies if you're in a relationship. If you're in a relationship, let your man be the man. Who told you it was a crime to be submissive to your man? Who told you it was a crime to feed your man? Who told you it was a crime to clean for your man? Am I saying let your man walk all over you and run all over you? Of course not. I'm not telling you to bow down. Of course not. I'd never condone that. But what I am saying is that you are a woman first. First, your innate job is a nurturer. All right? You nurture. Cater to that man. Don't let these new age bitter women trick you into thinking that you're less than a woman for tending or catering to your man. You're not. You're doing what you're supposed to do, okay? But these new age women have tricked y'all into thinking that you're weak for doing that, and you're not. So these are my 5 tips, 5 potential reasons why you could be single. You know, it may apply to you, it may not, but take every single one of these that I said and just empower yourself off of these, okay? Because we all can learn and we all can grow. You should never stop growing. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.